And that's the start of 10,000 meters run for men final. The second event for the 29th National Senior Athletics Federation Competition 2026 for the day one.
अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया।
So the men's 10,000 meters after Ravina Gaikwad took number 1 in the women's. We had originally 17 listed to start. 3 of them have not reported. Mrunal Sarode of the Army, Praveen Kumar, the next of them also of the Army, and Lovpreet Singh of the Army. So the 3 Army boys not here in the men's 10,000 meters. This is a beautiful picture. I love this picture, Sangeeta. शुरुआत हुई है into the second lap now. 25 laps again. Remember, this is the 10,000 meters for the men, following in the footsteps of the women. The event which, as we just mentioned, was won by Ravina Gaikwad. The 10,000 meters. All about someone called Gulveer Singh, national record 27 minutes 00.22 in 2000 at in March 25 correction at the 10 meet in San Juan, the United States. वो वहाँ पर ट्रेन करते हैं अमेरिका में, गुलवीर सिंह। और यहाँ पर हमारे पास कौन है? शैलेश कुशवाहा है जो दौड़ रहे हैं. He represents the Kushwaha represents Karnataka. We also have Karthik Karkera, 30 minutes 0.8.94. Sangeeta Karkera won the 10,000 meters. I remember in the Indian meet, the Indian athletic meet at Delhi, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium में, he had won the event 10,000 meters. डॉक्टर है प्रोफेशन से, ऑर्थोपेडिक डॉक्टर है और नासिक से आते हैं, जहाँ से रवीना गायकवाड़ आती हैं. डॉक्टरी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, क्लिनिक पे जाते हैं, पेशेंट्स को अटेंड करते हैं और 10,000 मीटर दौड़ते हैं, मैराथन दौड़ते हैं. मुंबई मैराथन जीते, दिल्ली मैराथन जीते, तो रवीना गायकवाड़ जैसे ये भी सब कुछ कर लेते हैं.
ये सब क्वालिटीज होने के लिए सर गॉड गिफ्ट, इज बेटा गॉड गिफ्ट के बिना कैसे होगा सर. ही इज ए डॉक्टर and he's practicing the medical and participating 10,000 meters run and the other events.
Once again, remember the qualifying mark, 27 minutes 39.03. That's the qualifying mark they're looking at for the trip to the Commonwealth Games. Gulveer Singh's 27:00.22 in March 2025. हम हमेशा वही कहते हैं कि अगर गुलवीर यहाँ होता तो क्या होता, लेकिन गुलवीर नहीं है. So obviously you got to do your best out here. Early part of the event here. We are now into the 5th minute of the men's 10,000 meters.
22 laps to go for the runners of 10,000 meters run for men final. We are witnessing the event on the screen, and that is the second event of day one of 29th National Senior Athletics Federation Competition 2026 at Birsa Munda Stadium, Ranchi, Jharkhand. In the lead we have bib number 14 out of 17. Bhatt representing Uttarakhand took the lead for 10,000 meters run for men final. And the top ranking athletes we have already announced. Gulveer Singh 27 minutes 00.22 seconds. Shailesh Kushwaha, he is in this event today. He is running this event 10,000 meters run for men. He has a timing of 30 minutes 01.08 seconds. But in the lead we have bib number 690 Deep Bhatt representing Uttarakhand. And the qualification mark for the Commonwealth Games in this event for 10,000 meters run men is 27 minutes 39.03 seconds. Karthik Karkera, Karthik Jairaj Karkera, bib number 559, Reliance, representing Reliance. He has a best timing of represented at New Delhi on 11th April 2026. So 19 laps to go for the runners of 10,000 meters run for men final. And bib number 690 is in the lead, Deep Bhatt.
पहचान तुझी से मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू
requires endurance.
मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू
The pack of this present event, that is 10,000 meters run, the pack is together till now from the beginning of the race, as 19 laps to go for the runners of 10,000 meters run.
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं तुझ पे कोई
And in the second lead we have bib number 312. He is Shivaji Parshuram Madapago representing Karnataka. And in the first lead we have bib number 690 Deep Bhatt of Uttarakhand. And in the third lead we have bib number 399. Thirdly, we have bib number 309, Shailesh Kushwaha.
मेरे वतन
And the present
Come on, boys, come on. Come on, everyone.
scene on the screen, we have bib number 312. He is Shivaji Parshuram is in the lead for 10,000 meters run for men final. And in the second lead, it is bib number 690 Deep Bhatt of Uttarakhand.
We're now into the 10th minute of the men's 10,000 meters. 17 laps to go from here on. The lead maintained here by Shivaji Parshuram of Karnataka. I remember he was there at the forefront in one of the meets, national meets in 2025 and 2026. Where is the favorite, Karthik Jairaj Karkera, 559. He represents Reliance. Didn't really see him here. He was there at the start when we set off. But I don't see him here in the first three. Now that's a bit of a surprise for me. He was surely the favorite here in the 10,000 meters. Shailesh Kushwaha, 30:01.08, represents Karnataka. He's here in the men's 10,000 meters. Pankaj Kumar, who's got the third best timing, not participating. Satish Kumar Verma, who's got among the top 5, 30:06.88. He's also not here in this competition. Karthik Karkera, as we said, 30:08.94. The favorite here, I don't see him in the picture frame. And then Vinod Singh, who's got the 6th best timing, 30:09.62. तो अगर आप संगीता एथलीट्स की बात करें इस साल के, गुरवीर सिंह जो नेशनल रिकॉर्ड होल्डर है 27 minutes 00.22 in 2025 in the United States, is not here. But Shailesh Kushwaha, he's got bib number 309. Is he there in the front? Is he there in the front? Sizable lead which has been opened here between 1, 2, 3 and the rest of the field. Where is Karkera? The favorite. Not in the first three. Does he have, if he's there, I don't see him. In fact, I can't even spot him there. Get back and tell you. But what a field we have. 17 listed, 3 did not start, which means we've got 14 here in the men's 10,000 meters. National record, Gulveer Singh, 27:00.22 at Capistrano in the United States in 2025. Surinder Singh, one of my favorite athletes. Subedar Surinder Singh at Kochi, 28:57.13 in 2025. I'm not sure about that. 1, 2, 3 जैसे हमने मेंस में देखा था, 1, 2, 3 में काफी फास्ट है संगीता।
जब तक मुझ में है जरा सी जान
14 laps to go for the runners of 10,000 meters run for men, and in the present scenario, Shailesh Kushwaha, bib number 309, representing Karnataka, is in the lead, followed by bib number 312, Shivaji Parashuram of Karnataka. Now we have bib number 3690, Deep Bhatt in the second lead. There is a little bit change in the situation of the race for 10,000 meters run for men. Shailesh Kushwaha, Deep Bhatt and Shivaji Parshuram, they three are taking the lead among the 14 participants. Mrunal Sarode, Praveen Kumar and Lavpreet Singh, they are not in this race. And the records stands in the name of Gulveer Singh with a timing 27 minutes 00.22 seconds, made in 2025 at San Juan, USA. Shailesh Kushwaha at Indian Athletics Series 3, New Delhi. In the month April 2026, his best timing is 30 minutes 01.08 seconds. Karthik Karkera 30 minutes 08.94 seconds, representing Maharashtra. So again we are witnessing bib number 690. He is Deep Bhatt of Uttarakhand. He took the lead and 12 laps to go for the runners of 10,000 meters run men final. "15 minutes is over for the runners of 10,000 meters run for men, as they have to go for 12 more laps to complete the race.
Well, you've got a long way to go here in the men's 10,000 meters. Sangeeta, the difference between the women and the men, you got 1, 2 and 3 absolutely close. Deepak Bhatt of Uttarakhand in the lead, but with, as you just mentioned, 12 laps to go, it could be anyone. एक वक्त ऐसा आएगा कि one of them will start breaking away from the pack out here. Whom do we have in number 2? Well, there you are. Number 2 now sneaking from the behind. Sneaking from the behind. He's taken that lead now.
Second we have Deep and in the first lead 309 he is Shailesh Kushwaha of Karnataka.
Yes, we have been talking of Shailesh Kushwaha. 30 minutes 01.08. The second best timing in 2025. और संगीता अगर आप देखेंगे कि 2025 में नंबर 1 और नंबर 2 जो बेस्ट टाइमिंग है, गुलवीर सिंह 27:24.18 एंड कुशवाहा 30:01.08. नंबर है गुलवीर सिंह हमारा क्या कहते हैं, एक हीरो है. 5,000 10,000 मीटर रिकॉर्ड but Shailesh Kushwaha doing a wonderful job out here in the top 3. So 10,000 meters, as we did mention, an event where the human energy production, which of course can be divided into 3 complex systems. 2 of them are classified as anaerobic, that without the oxygen systems, because they do not require oxygen to depend on the chemical reaction in the muscles to produce energy for running. And then of course the third of the systems is known as the aerobic, with oxygen, because the energy produced depends largely on the oxygen uptake. But science को बिल्कुल साइंस का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, बिल्कुल है. 10 laps to go. Multiply 10 by 400 meters, 4,000 meters, approximately 4 kilometers still remaining out here. Under 4 kilometers. Into the 19th minute. Qualifying mark for the Commonwealth Games 27:39.03.
हम इंडिया हैं.
Gulveer Singh will,
नफरत पे नहीं.
I suspect, qualify automatically 27:00.22. Will someone be able to achieve that mark out here? That's the big question.
Three of them are in the lead for 10,000 meters run. Shailesh, Deep Bhatt and Shivaji Parshuram.
हम ही अकेले हैं जो
But to me, Shivaji Parshuram Madappa of Karnataka. हम नासिक की बात कर रहे थे संगीता, यहाँ पर 2 कर्नाटका के लड़के हैं जो लीड में थे और यहाँ लीड में है कुशवाहा और शिवाजी परशुराम. Obviously means that the 10,000 meters has some wonderful training facilities or infrastructure in Karnataka. Here they come, 3 of them.
माटी को माँ कहते
There he laps 1,
माटी को माँ कहते हैं
312. Shivaji Parshuram
माँ भरोसा रखना
representing
अपनी
Karnataka is in the
संतानों पर
lead.
हम तिरंगा गाड़ देंगे आसमानों पर दुश्मनों सुन लो हमें झुकना नहीं आता
50 meters
तुम्हारी
lead
गोलियां
from
कम हैं
the
हमारी
second and the third
छातियां
run.
ज्यादा
The present
हमारे
situation.
नाम पर ढोलक बजेगी दो जहानों में मरेंगे यूं कि हम जिंदा रहेंगे
In the second lead
दास्तानों
we have
में
Shailesh.
हिंदुस्तान
In
को
the third we
नाज
have
होगा
Deep Bhatt.
हम दीवानों पर हम
So the
तिरंगा
boy
गाड़
from
देंगे
Uttarakhand
आसमानों
has
पर
now gone into number 3.
जिस्मों पे वर्दी ना
He had
बांधे
maintained that lead
सितारे
for about I think 8-9
जिस्मों
laps.
पे वर्दी ना
Going
बांधे
into,
सितारे ना
now
झंडे
the
झुकेंगे
8th lap
जिगर
to
पे
finish.
हमारे पर
Getting
जाने
closer and
सड़ेगी
closer
जब
to
बात
10,000
होगी
meters.
आगे मिलेंगे कतारों
Mental
में हम
grind of the
तो क्या
25
ज़मीं पे रहे
lap
ना
race,
रहे
of course, where you lock
मुस्कुराएंगे
your
तारों में हम
race cadence
मुस्कुराएंगे
and
तारों
then
में
focus on your running form. That's what these athletes are doing. And if running on a track, they try to stay. That's what we have seen these three runners doing. They've made sure that they try to stay on the inside lane, but also have to be aware that running on the bend expends more energy. The last 2,000 meters, of course, tends to get very crucial. Once, of course, the athlete has passed the 8-kilometer mark, then you begin to gradually increase your effort with 400 meters to 600 meters, maintaining the transition into the finishing kick. That's what the 10,000 meters is all about. Sangeeta, 100 meters, एक end of the spectrum. 10,000 meters, the other end of the spectrum. 100 meters, 10 plus second में खत्म हो जाता है. 10,000 meters, 27, 28, 29 में. अब हर इवेंट में अलग स्ट्रैटेजी होती है.
जानिया मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम
इसका डिविजन्स भी होता है सर. स्प्रिंट, मिडिल डिस्टेंस रन, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस जो कि एथलेटिक्स में है.
तू सारे जहां
10,000 meters run men final is in progress. Team number 312 still is in the lead. Shivaji Parshuram of Karnataka and 6 laps to go.
दिल जान है शान
For the runners of this event, 10,000 meters run for men final.
जीती रहो जीतती रहो
These athletes, you all know the 10,000 meters, the preparations all start with fueling yourself, and then of course hydration. They make sure that you're hydrated before the race, because the longer efforts or in warm weather, where the sun has just come up now, take advantage of any available water station.
आंसू है अपना
They start off with the warm-up, jogging for 10 to 15 minutes. They do the dynamic stretches and then perform a short burst in the 10,000 meters.
अपनी जिंदड़ी सर पर हाथ है अपना तेरा जो भी है सपना अब जिम्मा
They run, of course, at roughly 90% of the maximum race speed to fine-tune the speed gears and then build up the lactic threshold tolerance.
से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है सारे
Just mentioned the warm-up becomes so important for these athletes. They perform the short strides to making sure the heart rate is up before the start. 4 laps to go, 1,600 meters. And the boy from Karnataka, Shivaji Parshuram Madappa, been a national winner in the 10,000 meters, going on to perhaps emulate the same. संगीता उत्तराखंड के जो लड़का था दीप भट्ट, who had kept the lead for about 8 or 9 laps, but after that the two Karnataka boys then decided that we will go Indore.
Three 1-2 Shivaji Parshuram Madapago of Karnataka. In the lead of 10,000 meters run. 3 laps to go for the runners of this event. 10,000 meters run for men final at 29th National Senior Athletics Federation Competition 2026. In the second lead, we have 690 Deep Bhatt of Uttarakhand, followed by bib number 309. He is Shailesh Kushwaha.
So amongst the top three, we've got two Karnataka boys. The lead with Shivaji Parshuram. In second is Deep Bhatt of Uttarakhand. A state which dominates the long distance, the 10,000 meters and the marathons. Go back to that favorite boy of mine when he was running, Surinder Singh. He held the national record for the 5,000, 10,000 meters for many years. The meet record is still in the name of Surinder Singh. Kochi 2025. I don't know whether it was 2025 or last year. Surinder Singh actually gave up running quite some time back. But nevertheless, that's the figure that we have with us. 58.04. The qualification 27.39.03. Now that's gone. Qualification mark is gone. But the fact is that winner is a winner. Who doesn't want to go for the Asian Games? The national team. Now the final 400 meters here. The final 400 meters now coming up here in the men's 10,000 meters. What a contrast. After this event is over, we will have the 100 meters for the decathlon. 10,000 meters से हम 100 meters का आ गए. So 200 meters to go here for the 10,000 meters. Been a tactical race for the three of them. Shivaji Parshuram, Deepak Bhatt and Shailesh Kushwaha. Shailesh Kushwaha, the second best timing in 2025, has to perhaps be content with either 2 or 3. Varkera, who I thought started off as the favorite, is now into his final 400 meters. Here he is, now finishing. That's the finish for the men's 10,000 meters.
3-1-2 Shivaji Parshuram. Then we have Deepak Bhatt of Uttarakhand and Shailesh Kushwaha representing Karnataka in 10,000 meters run for men final. And for few athletes, few meters to complete the race. 10,000 meters run for men final. was a good race by all the participants for 10,000 meters run for men final.
गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो। ओ हाथ धर के बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है, हाथ धर के बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है, चाल लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है, चाल लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है, हिम्मत मर्दा अगर हो सब खुदा भी होता है, जा ज़माने को दिखा दे खुद में दम क्या होता, लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का
Number 4 Kumar